Albert Einstein, the genius physicist who changed the world. Introduction. Have you ever wondered about the person who changed our understanding of the universe and laid down scientific foundations that we still rely on today? He is Albert Einstein, the genius who revolutionized science with his unique theories and left an indelible legacy in physics and human thought. He was not just a theoretical scientist, but a visionary whose influence extended across multiple fields, from science to politics and philosophy. Let's embark on a journey to explore his life and achievements. Early life and background. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, Germany, to a middle-class Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an electrical engineer, while his mother, Pauline, was a homemaker with a passion for music. From a young age, Albert displayed an unusual curiosity, but he was not the typical top-performing student. He struggled with the traditional education system, which did not align with his free-thinking nature. At the age of 5, he received a small compass from his father, a moment that became a turning point in his life. His amazement at how it worked sparked a deep interest in science, and from then on, he never stopped questioning the mysteries of nature. After completing high school, he enrolled in the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich in 1896. He was not an exemplary student, but he had a strong passion for physics and mathematics. He preferred deep thinking about scientific concepts rather than just memorizing formulas and equations. Scientific achievements. In 1905, known in the scientific community as the Miracle Year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that forever changed the face of physics. The Special Theory of Relativity, in which he introduced his famous equation E equals mc squared, proving the connection between energy and mass, a concept that later paved the way for nuclear energy. The quantum explanation of the photoelectric effect. He demonstrated that light is made up of tiny particles called photons, which contributed to the development of quantum mechanics and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Brownian motion. He explained the random movement of microscopic particles, providing strong evidence for the atomic theory of matter. The General Theory of Relativity, 1915. It completely redefined our understanding of gravity, proving that it is not merely a force between objects, but rather a curvature in the fabric of space-time itself. Challenges and obstacles. Despite his brilliance, Einstein's life was not easy. After graduation, he struggled to find an academic position, which forced him to work as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. However, he did not stop researching and thinking, using this time to develop his revolutionary ideas. In the 1930s, with the rise of Nazism in Germany, he was forced to emigrate to the United States in 1933, where he settled at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. There, he continued his scientific research but also focused on political and social issues, advocating for peace and human rights. Impact and scientific legacy. Einstein's contributions extended beyond theoretical physics to fields like philosophy and political science. He was outspoken about issues of war and peace and played a crucial role in warning about the dangers of nuclear weapons after World War II. Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, but his ideas continue to inspire scientists today. His theories opened the door to great discoveries, from black holes to modern GPS technology. Conclusion. Albert Einstein was not just a scientist, he was a symbol of genius and creativity. His story reminds us that curiosity and questioning can lead to the greatest discoveries. So, do you have enough curiosity to discover something new? Perhaps you could be the next Einstein. Some of his most wise and inspiring quotes as a scientist who influenced the world. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, whereas imagination encircles the world. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. There are 2 ways to live. You can live as if nothing is a miracle, or you can live as if everything is a miracle.